Alright, hey, this is Jen. I'm back, and I finally got my Crimson Haze Japanese booster pack in. So we're going to open this up, and I'm going to see what I got. Let's go. See what we got in these. Oh, come on. Hold on, I know they got a pull tab somewhere. There they go. Wow. Alright. Damn, I guess it's been a minute since I opened some Pokemon cards. I can't get these things open. Oh, that's nice right there. I'm gonna have to put that in the top loader. Alright. Another March right there. And you know, Japanese pack only come with 5 cards, so it's going to look pretty small. Damn, y'all. Need some big hits. Alright, figure I'd make this kind of easier by cutting some of them open instead of y'all trying to see me rip each one of these packs open. There we go. Nice. Nice. There's another hit. I missed part of it. My bad. Let me see if I can still get this open. Uh-oh. Just a regular hollow. And please don't let me give you anxiety for me cutting these open. I promise I'm not getting the cards. There we go. Nice. Look at that full art right there. Ooh. Nothing. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that full art right there. That's nice. Nothing. Just a regular hollow. What else we got? Nothing. Ooh, there we go. Look at that full art right there. Nice. I got some decent hits so far, but still. Oh, there we go. Look at that full art. Woo! Nice. Alright, let me clean up and we're going to do the second side. Alright, so far, this is what we have. We have about 6 full art hollows right there, and then 3 regular hollows right here. So we're going to start on the second stack. So let's go. Alright, so I went ahead and pre-cut these, so these would not take as long to open. So let's go. Alright, nothing. Nothing. Yep. Damn. Come on now, I need some hits. as a hollow, but nothing too special. There we go. Full art. Nice hollow right there. Nothing. Nothing. There you go. Look at that pencil right there. Full art hollow. Ooh, nice. Nothing. I've been waiting months for these. Nothing. A regular hollow. Regular hollow. Down to the last 2 packs. Nothing. And last pack right here. Let me see. Come on. My bad. And, oh, there you go. Nice. Nice hollow right there. And that is going to be it for the Crimson Haze Japanese Booster Pack.